Dude, yours went way higher. Where's yours made?
China, same as yours.
Well, wanna try the Taiwan Eradicator?
Yeah.
Illegal! Those are illegal!
Oh no, it's the police!
Ah, even worse. It's the fun police.
Man.
Is this an Indian reservation?
No.
Are you Native Americans?
No.
Not really.
Then why in the hell you lighting off fireworks?
It's the 4th of July and just like trying to celebrate the freedom of this great nation.
Yeah.
By lighting off communist missiles? Not even on a reservation. Should Major Mullet tell him the story? I don't know. Should he? He'll tell it.
No.
How many fingers do you see? Count 'em, boys.
9?
You know, I wasn't born this way. I remember it like it was yesterday. I was very young then, even younger than the both of you. I had some snakes, and they were supposed to be safe. The only warning was not to put them in my mouth, and I assure you, they never touched my lips. However, there was no warning against combining them with sparklers. Let's just say my finger catapulted over the neighbor's fence and was never seen again. Only the neighbor's dog knows what happened to it. But she's not talking. And that's why you shouldn't play with fireworks.
Every time that you set off those ball rockets, Major Mullet sheds a single tear.
But that doesn't mean you can't have any fun for the 4th of July. As long as you're 18 or older. These are party poppers.
And these are whirligigs.
You got ID?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sick, man.
Not only can you get maimed for life for playing with fireworks, but also...
It's illegal!
Thanks, fun police!
Happy 4th of July!
Hooray!
Woo!
Just the way it is.
You better make sure you pick up all that confetti, boys! We don't want Captain Cockstaff to write you a ticket.
Missed one.
Yeah, over there. Yellow. Yellow. And the red one there. That's a flower.